Good morning everyone, you're Born Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both SPY and QQQ gapping up. In this market, I'm not confident to go long. So unless the trend reverses, I think I'll not have any trades today. Tesla was looking good. It was gapping down over 5% pre-market. And now it's curling back up. So I'll keep an eye on Tesla as well as SPY. We do have around 15 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. $39.20. I'm in. Out. $138. I'll take it. $780. I got in Tesla. I got out of 2. Out. $250. I'll take it. And 40 I got in. Got out. Anticipating a breakdown, I got in around 940 and I sold around 10. Perfect trade. That puts me up over $500 on the day. I'll take it. Getting around 850. Out. Did not like how it was hesitating. I got out because QQQ was also making a bounce. No signs of weakness. $70 I got it. I think I got a little higher. Not in a hurry to add. If it comes to this level, I'd like to make one more add. It's gonna come down. Got out of 2, just holding 2 contracts. Exiting. $566 in 22 minutes. I'll take it. Right now, I see like things are like a bit choppy. and I don't want to give back my profits. Small winners add up. I just need to make sure that I stay long in the game to see it happen. So I think it would be a good time to call the day off and conserve my profits. A decent day of trading, making over $500 in less than 30 minutes. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.